The winter season is finally here. Do you know what my favorite part about winter is? That's right, it's snow. Since we can't always bring snow inside our house, I thought, why don't I show you how to make a super cool, super fun winter snow globe. As you can see, the snow globe also shows different density levels of two liquids. Hi everybody, my name is Julia and I work at Mississauga Library. To make this snow globe, what you're going to need is a jar or any container with a lid. Make sure the container is clear too. You're going to need a figure. You can use any figure you like, any toy that's lying around, but today I decided to use an evergreen tree. You're going to need a cup of water. You're going to need some mineral oil, any oil of your choice really, but I've decided to use baby oil because it's clear. You're going to need some food coloring. I'm using the color blue today. You're going to need some glitter, a popsicle stick or anything to stir your water with, and finally a glue gun. When using a glue gun, make sure you have an adult supervise you, or you can have an adult do it for you. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is grab your container, take off the lid, make sure it's dry. You can wipe it down with a paper towel. Grab your figure and you're going to hot glue gun it to your lid, right in the middle of the lid. Now that you've glued your figure to your lid, we're going to grab the jar. Using your baby oil, we are going to fill up the jar with about a 1/4 cup of baby oil. I'm going to eyeball the 1/4 cup, but you can use a measuring cup. That looks about right. So after you have the baby oil in your container, you're going to grab your cup of water. Put this aside so it doesn't get in the way. With your cup, there is water inside. You're going to put 1 or 2 or 3 drops of your color. I'm going to put 1, 2, and using your stir stick or popsicle stick, you're going to stir it. Perfect. Now that your oil is in your jar and your water is blue, you're going to pour the water into the jar. If you need a little bit more water, you can definitely add more. You're going to want to add just enough water, but not all the way to the top. We want a little bit of an air bubble, so if the glitter gets stuck, you can shake it and the air bubble will break the glitter off of the glass. Now you're going to grab your glitter. I'm going to add about a teaspoon. Again, you can use a measuring spoon. I'm just going to pour it in. And as soon as you pour it in, you can start seeing that it's going down. Awesome. Now that the oil, the water, with the food coloring in it, and the glitter are added, you can grab your figure that's glued to your lid. And then we're going to put the figure inside and we are going to close it. Close it very, very tightly. We don't want this opening and spilling everywhere. And now for the fun part. We're going to turn it upside down and shake. Shake, 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 shake. Ooh, look at that. You can see all the glitter up top with the oil, and you can see that our baby oil with the glitter in it and the water are not mixing. And the reason why is because of density. So what is density? Density is the measurement that compares the amount of matter in an object that has volume. Because the oil floats to the top, that means that it's lighter than the water, or it's less dense, and the water is more dense. So because of that, they're never going to mix. You can shake and shake and shake all you want, but it will always separate after some time. And the same with the glitter. The glitter will float on top of the water. It might get mixed in with the oil, but it will stay in between the water and the oil. Isn't that cool? And there you have it, your very own winter wonderland in a jar snow globe. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also give us a like. You can also check out our Facebook page and our library website for more information about our libraries and to find content just like this. Bye! We'll see you soon.